What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my Macys June beauty box. So guys, I gotta say I was less than impressed with the first box I got from this subscription. And what I'm gathering from some of my other YouTube friends and other people that I've watched is that this is just like a hit or miss box. Either it's awesome or it's just not great at all. There's usually no in between. So what I'm debating is whether or not I'm going to keep this box. I'm thinking I might cancel it. And if I do, I'm probably going to grab that ice cream box because I think that one looks really cool. And I don't think anyone's ever been disappointed with that one. So that's what I'm teetering on doing, canceling this one and getting the ice cream box. We'll have to see how it goes. But without further ado, let's see what they sent me in my June box. Okay guys, so I did already open this box just to kind of try to speed things up so that it wasn't too long and boring of a video. But here's the box. They do have their logo on the side of the box, so you know, cool, awesome, whatever. And I gotta say, when I open these boxes, this glue stuff that they put on here, oh my gosh, it's super strong. And I'm like tugging and thinking the box is gonna fly across the room by the time I get it open. Nonetheless, here's a sneak peek at what I got inside, but it did not look like this when I got it. It was wrapped in some really nice pink tissue paper. Now, they sent me a bunch of perfume samples. I hate perfume samples. That is definitely not my thing. And one of them leaked. So that makes this like even worse for me because I don't like perfume samples. And then one leaked all over my stuff. Awesome, right? I don't remember which one it was, but we're about to find out. Okay, so I got this Angel Nova Mugler. It's a perfume. So here's this one right here. I don't know if this was the one that leaked or not. Let's go ahead and open it up. No, it wasn't this one. Ugh. I am just not a perfume person, guys. I only wear the Body Fantasies cotton candy scent, and that is it. If they ever stop making it, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll just stink all the time. I love it that much. This is going to go to one of my friends who I know loves perfumes. Oh, this is the one right here. This Angel, I don't know, Mugler perfume. This is the one that exploded everywhere. So this is going to go in the garbage, but I wanted to show you guys what came in the box. But as you can see, I'm going to try to zoom in here. See how it's kind of discolored there? This leaked all over everything. And I honestly didn't even check to see if there was anything left in there. Ugh. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I don't like that smell. And I'm sure somebody else got this and they think it's a lovely smell. But, yeah, there's actually some in there, but I wouldn't send this to anybody because it's already leaked all over the place. And I think it smells enough to make me throw up. So, you know, there you go. Let's see. We have the Beauty Crop Watermelon Brightening Eye Mask. Okay, so this is fine. I like doing eye masks. I do them all the time. Lord knows that my eyes need all of the help that they can get. So this is fine. I'm happy to have that. And then we have these perfectly polished, created from Macys. It's a 16-piece nail wrap set. Now, these are fun. They got the rainbows going on, I'm assuming for Pride Month, which I love. I think that is awesome. I will definitely use these. Although you guys can't tell, I never do my nails because every single time I do, I feel like it comes off the first time I start to craft, and I craft literally every single day. I'm just saying. Okay, so then we have this Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Cream. Okay. I mean, I don't know that my lips need plumping because, you know, they're kind of plump already, but hey, let's go ahead and give her a go. Why not? Here's what it looks like inside the little packaging here. I'm going to take a look at it because I am going to keep it. You know, I don't want to mess up what I got going on right now, but there you go. Because I am going to go somewhere. I'm going to like a party and stuff for the 4th of July. So I really don't want to mess up this look that I got going on here. Okay, so then we have some Mineral Fusion nail polish. Looks like it's in a red color. So that's fine. You know, I'll use it. I'm not mad at that at all. Definitely something that I can use. And then we have, oh, this is a dry shampoo. Okay, by Chlorine. So here's that. I'm not mad at that because I do use these on my wigs a lot. I just like to, if you ever, those of you who, if you wear a wig or ever try to get a wig or whatever, the best way to make it look like the wig is not super shiny and that it's totally fake hair, you know, from the get-go, especially if you're buying synthetic wigs, a good way to do that is dry shampoo. If you spray that sucker with dry shampoo and then brush it out, it dulls it down and makes it look more like natural hair instead of a wig. Just a little tip there for those of you that might be interested in getting a wig. Just saying. Okay. Then we have this NYX, which I love NYX, Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon. Okay, I am not mad at that at all. Oh, can you guys even see that? Yeah, I don't know. And you know what? The idea of me opening this was so that I didn't have to do this, what I'm doing right now. I should have opened this all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up because obviously I'm going to keep it. I mean, it's NYX and I love this kind of stuff. So let's do a quick draw. Okay, that is awesome. It went on really nice and it's almost the same color as my skin tone. So you guys aren't really going to get the, you know, idea, but it's a great color. I think it'll be great on my eyes. Looks like they did include a little, you know, a little flyer thing here. I don't know that it says anything about anything, but, oh no, it does actually. Okay, it does tell you a little bit about the products. So let's do a quick recap, shall we? The Buxom Cosmetics, the lip plumping lip plumping stuff is valued at $21. So that's for the full size, guys, not the size that they put in here. Then that Beauty Crop Hydrating Eye Mask, the value is $24 and you get 30 pairs. I don't think that's a bad deal. That's actually a really good deal. Then the nail polish is valued at $8.99. That's pricey. Then the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil is valued at $4.50, if I can get that out. That's why I love NYX, you guys, because it's affordable makeup and it's good makeup, in my opinion. Okay, then that Chlorine Dry Shampoo is valued at $20 for the full size. And then the little perfume samples they gave me, the blue one, the one that, you know, exploded all over the place. It's 120 bucks. I mean, I almost threw up when I smelled it. Maybe just because I got a major big whiff of it. But I find when somebody wears this stuff, I'll be like, "Ooh, you smell good." And it might be that exact perfume because it works well with their body oil or whatever, you know, their body stuff. So it smells good on them. But the other one is valued at $100. So that is for the full price. And then they give me this $10 off coupon if I want to go shopping on their website. Okay, guys, this one wasn't bad. This wasn't bad at all. I think I pay $16 a month for this box. So, I mean, you're not going to get the moon and the stars for 16 bucks. But, I don't know. I'm definitely leaning heavily towards canceling this box. So I may get one more. And then after that one, I'll probably cancel and then get the ice cream box because I think that is definitely one that I am liking. I think they put really fun stuff in there and it's another affordable kind of a box. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I don't want to say today's video because I really don't know how many videos I'm going to have to post to catch up. So we're going to say in this video. Change it. So I think it's kind of a no-brainer there. So more than likely, I will cancel this box, but let's see what this one has in store. I think this is my, what are we in, July? 4th of July. I'm all decked out. I think this is my July. No, it's my June box. I'm opening it late. Okay, hold on. But at any rate, here's a sneak peek at the already opened box. It didn't look like this when I got it. It had it all nice wrapped in. I can't talk. Try it again. Okay, guys. So I did already open the box just to kind of. I lost my train of thought. Try it again.